Let's see how you can manage batch inventory system in Airplay Books. Batch is any kind of identification that you have for your products. If you are producing custom metal constructions, then this batch can be a unique number for the product. Or if you are for example, producing beer, and let's say you produced 100 cans of beer, and the batch number is 150, then the batch number is 150 in Airplay Books also. You can also set the best before date. These two work the same way. If you add a new best before date, the system knows which batch it is. If you add another batch with the same best before date, it's still a new batch, so the system works. So first let's go to configuration. We have here the batch rule. I have it enabled. I haven't selected the product group. I haven't said that the batch is required field, neither the best before. I can say it, then the system will not allow you adding any documents without the necessary fields. And the last one here is very important. Whether you allow negative balances or you don't allow, or let the system choose the batch that has inventory value. Because whenever you buy something with a different price, it will make a new product. And when you sell the product with that doesn't have an inventory value, then it will select the one that actually has the batch that has actually an inventory value. So let's see how it goes. I go to articles. You see that I have here component 1 as like 5 times. That's the product 88. 88 is the identifier for component 1. Whenever I'm buying the product 88 with a different price, then it sees from these articles whether we already have the correct article to choose, or we have to make a new one. And when I'm selling it, I'm selecting the correct batch, and this way the system will know which batch I'm actually taking out from the inventory, and also this way which product cost of goods sold must be used. You see there is a batch number over here, and also the best before date is here. As I haven't said that neither of them are compulsory, then it was okay to add another item without the best before date. But let's buy this component again. Let's see this new supplier. I'm doing into the default location, and I select the first one because this is the item that I'm actually buying. I'm just saying that now the batch is 24 and the best before date is end of April. I buy 66 items with the price of 5.3, and now when I sell that same product, let's say I sell it to the good customer, also in the default location. Now you see that I have here, these are the batch numbers. I can add 88. So these are the batch numbers. 2 of them have a best before date. Then comes the how many items are in the inventory and what is the purchase price for them. So you see that batch has been sold out. The other batches have values. The first one doesn't have, because I haven't bought with the price that batch had. So I'm selecting this one. Let's say I'm selling 20 items with the price of 15. Now let's see how it looks like. You see that in the invoice we automatically add the batch number and best before date. If you haven't selected any batch number or best before date, this will be empty, and the column or the row will be much narrower. But at the moment, as they are selected, the system will automatically show them here. Also, let's see the transaction. We see that the transaction here is 106. We sold 20 items, so 106 divided by 20, this is 5.3, and it looks correct. If we look at the component over here, this also says wipe 5.3. So this is how it is selecting the correct purchase price for that. Meaning you can select the default one, just say which batch you actually used, or best before date, or both of them, and the system will work. It will automatically give you the correct results. Let's also see the inventory value report. Let's say the article code is 88. You see now it is showing me all the items that have an inventory balance, what was the purchase price for them, and as it is batch based, it is basically neither a first in first out nor average method. It's batch based, meaning it is taking the exact price that was actually purchased. Now if that batch becomes like old, for example if the best before date is like 2 years ago, you can simply mark these articles as non-active. You can just untick these checkboxes, and that's it. The system assumes that you don't have tens of thousands of products, maximum 5,000, and this way we can manage this simple batch method and basically solve the production cases, basically solve any kind of company that needs batch numbers. You just have to correctly set them in the invoices, in the inventory registrations, and the system will work automatically in the background for you. Thank you for watching.